Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another plant video. We have an unboxing to do today. I'm sorry for not having posted in the past few weeks. If you follow me on Instagram, which I recommend that you do if you care and want to keep updated on me and my life, I explained everything on there, but I don't really want to get into it in this video. I just wanted to unbox this plant. I'm very excited about it. It's been on my wish list for a while. It's not been one of those plants that have been on my list for like years or something, but I did see this a few months ago, maybe more than a few months ago, and I really liked how it looked. So this box is from Plantthestudio on Instagram. She's posted a few times like in houseplant groups or Hoya groups that she's like doing restocks. I think she does like weekly restocks or something. I've heard really good reviews. I've had some of you guys recommend her, so I'm really pumped to do this. I'm also going to be doing a live while filming this, so if you see my voice like talking or something, I'm like doing sort of an Inception type thing here. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the box, I guess. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, look, it looks fancy when you open it. It has like a little picture. Okay, so it looks like a lot of people have some like really good reviews for this shop, so I'm like really excited. This is such a cute picture. And then look, it has like care instructions and stuff. So fancy, wow. She also has her little business card in here. So far so good, so far so good. So if this plant isn't dead, I recommend this shop, and I'm definitely probably going to order from them again. But here goes. Okay, I think that's pretty good packaging. I am dumb and I didn't even check where it's actually like coming from, but like I live in Texas and it's hot here. Like it's like 70 degrees outside, so I didn't order a heat pack. So again, I'm hopeful that this isn't gonna be dead. So this plant, it cost I think $42, and I ordered it on the 24th, and it's the 27th, and it got here really fast. It was supposed to get here tomorrow, like Thursday, and it got here a day early. So yeah, it was $42 and it was $10.52 shipping, so I paid $53 for this Hoya. Oh, she like taped the inside too. It looks alive. So it looks like she roots in perlite and sphagnum, so I'm hopeful that it's gonna look good. It actually has more leaves than I thought that it had. Ah! Okay. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Look at this little cutie pie. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. Okay. I'm so excited. So the plant, I noticed that in her descriptions of each plant, she basically states that the plant might be slightly different from like what you ordered, but that it shouldn't be like less leaves or anything like that. So that's really nice. I like that business practice. But I haven't even told you guys what the name of this plant is. This is a Hoya lai, and it's from China. It looks like adorable. It has like this like leathery, not leathery, it has like a texture to it, and the bottom of it is fuzzy. It's like a little bit fuzzy. Sort of, I thought whenever I bought it that it was going to be similar to like my Hoya rotundiflora, because that one has like a little bit of like fuzz to it, but it's like less fuzzy, and the majority of the fuzz is like on the bottom of the leaf. So it's cute. I'm really excited. It's been on my list for a bit. It's been on my list for a bit. And I actually saw that like one of the people that I follow on Etsy, she posted like an update of it, and she like, it was like $90. So when I saw that Plantthestudio had this for like around my $50 budget, I was like, yes, I want that. I'm so excited that it's more than 3 leaves. I can't believe that she sent me the one that was more than 3 leaves. Like, it is so cute. It's so cute. I feel like that you can't see the cuteness on camera. So this plant is actually, so I said it was from China, but it has like a history behind it and stuff, and it grows in like limestone. In 1934, it used to be called Carnosa. Like they were the same. Like supposedly people said that it was like the same plant, but then later, like a couple years later, they like said, no, it's not the same plant. Like don't call it that. So yeah, I thought that was really interesting. And again, like I don't think this looks anything like a Carnosa. So the fact that people actually thought it was the same plant is like crazy. But yeah, so again, Hoya Lai, I got it from Plantthestudio. I recommend this. I'm gonna buy from you again. I'm definitely gonna buy from you again. Like I said, she does have a lot of Hoyas still in stock right now. So if you like go and check out her website, like she has like a whole in stock section, and there's a lot. Like it's not just a few. Like there's a lot of plants on there. So I recommend. I'm really excited. I think this is one of these plants that also gets confused with Thomsonii, because like somewhere in like China or like Indonesia or Thailand or wherever, people got like the names crossed and confused. So some people sell like a Thomsonii under the name Lai, but I think this one is actually like the Lai from China that like people have done research and stuff over. And like I said, it grows like in limestone or something like that. So it's like kind of similar to the Lithophytica, which I think is kind of cool. So it's kind of like, I don't know. It's really cute though. Honestly, I bought this because I heard it was like a little bit fuzzy, and that's what, I don't know, I kept seeing it. I really like the dark green sort of foliage that it has. I think it's really pretty. This is the Memoria, so it's like significantly larger leaves, and it's like pointier. So I wouldn't really compare them. So Forest Indoor says, does it have a similar flower to Carnosa if it's been mixed up with it before? So no, not really. It like, I guess it kind of does. I think it reminds me a little bit of like it kind of looks like a Thomsonii flower, but like with thinner coronas. I don't know. I don't think that looks like a Carnosa flower. I guess it kind of does, but like I feel like it looks similar to other plants flowers and not really the Carnosa. I also think that Thomsoniis have like a little bit similar of a flower to Carnosas, because like it's like white. It's like a white Carnosa flower basically. So I don't know, but yeah, I mean, that was the unboxing. I want to buy from her again. If she has like more plants that are under $50, I'm gonna buy it. Like I said, this one has been on my list. I haven't really been buying a bunch of plants lately. The last plant that I bought was my Hoya Memoria. I bought this Hoya Memoria because it was less splashy and like different than mine. So I don't know. I haven't really been buying too much. So I felt like a $50 plant purchase was sort of in the books. But yeah. Thank you guys for coming. I hope you guys enjoyed. Okay, so that was my unboxing of the Hoya Lai. It is adorable. Like, it is literally so cute. I feel like the little fuzz on it is very minuscule, but it's there. It's like definitely there. And I really like it, and I really do think I'm gonna be buying from her again. Like, this is gonna be added to my list of places to be checking out like every now and then, because she has a lot of cool plants. Like, she really does, and I don't think she has bad prices. I'm so happy that she sent one that was so big. Like, it is literally so cute. Like, it is so stinking cute. I can't believe it. Like, it's so tiny and adorable. I love it. Yeah, I am hopeful that it's gonna be happy with me. It's really, really pretty, and I actually already see like a new little growth point coming in right here. So I'm really happy with it, and like I said, I recommend the shop if you guys want to go and check it out. I mean, like, I feel like the packaging was like amazing. She included this little card with like care instructions. She included her little business card, like marketing is goals. I really, really enjoy it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button down below. And if you like me or you like plant videos, go ahead and subscribe if you want to. But that's going to be it for today's video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!